This story is based on a true story. A few years ago, I had a project order that in addition to animating the character, I also had to animate the fingers. I have never done this before. So search on the internet and YouTube, everyone rigs the hand in a different way, with pass, puppet, parent, slider and etc. Finally, I rigged the hand with the joystick and a slider, thanks Backwood Animation Studio and Ascript. It took me a lot of time and it was a complete and different way for rig the hand. But I asked myself, isn't there really an easier way to rig the fingers? Until one day, by chance, I saw the introduction video of the Handy Hand extension. Such a wow! Fantastic! With it, you can create wonderful animations. I searched the name of Handy Hand extension to see if someone has made a tutorial about working with this extension, but nothing. Really nothing. Now it's the hero's turn. I had a problem with it from the beginning. Why is the hand stroke inactive for me? Not giving up is my magic. I found it. The stroke is activated from another parts. To summarize, I make a tutorial for you from this extension and my experience, which I will upload it tomorrow. We're going to animate the scenes with the help of this extension. If you like more of this video, be sure to subscribe me and activate the bell to see my new posts. See you tomorrow, guys.